Hey guys, welcome back. So today I thought we would go through 5 reasons why I personally enjoy shopping pre-loved. Not every single handbag I have is pre-loved, of course, but a lot of them are, and I've had some pretty good experiences and really not so good experience, which I will save for another video. But I thought I would share with you guys 5 reasons why I personally enjoy shopping pre-loved and why I feel like it's something that I would recommend as long as you're shopping from a very reputable seller. And I always recommend that you get your bag authenticated, even if it's coming from a reputable place. And I also recommend that you go through something like PayPal when you're purchasing, just so you kind of have that extra guarantee that if it's not authentic, then you kind of have that extra like backup, like you can still get your money back. You know, I think you know. If you guys want to know 5 reasons that I like to buy pre-loved, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like fashion, you like handbags, you like shoes, you like buying pre-loved, I think this is where you're gonna wanna be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already, and definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Lots of reels, outfit of the days, too many stories. Honestly, it's kind of a lot. So definitely follow me over there if you like any of those things. And with that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So reason number 1 why I think you should buy pre-loved or consider buying pre-loved at your own discretion is you have no SA relationship to maintain. I don't know how you guys are in social situations. Maybe you guys are like social butterflies and like extroverts and just love people. But that's not me. I am very introverted, and if I seem like a people person, just know it's a lie. I have tons of social anxiety. Like, I actually went to the grocery store and asked somebody to cut me deli meat today, and that was a big deal. So not having to actually maintain a relationship with an SA in order to get what I want is kind of priceless to me, okay? It makes me feel at ease knowing that I don't have to like constantly drop into a store, which by the way, I also have no time to ever go into a store. That just kind of eliminates something, you know? I don't need to keep up with an SA relationship. I don't need to be constantly texting somebody and letting them know what I want and waiting for them to possibly give it to me, possibly find it, possibly put it aside for me. I don't have to do any of that. I can just go browse a website and boom, that's it. Very simple. So last night I went to edit this video, and apparently the audio for the entire rest of the video was messed up. It didn't sound good. It was literally unusable. And I thought I was gonna have to refilm the whole video, but instead I decided I'm just gonna refilm from here on. I literally just filmed a video in this, so just pretend when you see the next video, just pretend that you didn't see me already, okay? So the second reason that I would recommend buying pre-loved is the fact that you have online shopping capabilities. With brands like Chanel and Hermes quota bags and things like that, you don't always have the option, and even Fendi Peekaboo is not available online, which by the way is getting on my last nerve, okay? Because I really want a Peekaboo, but I don't want to go in store to buy it. I am 100% an online shopper. I do not like shopping in store, and I think most people know this. If you guys didn't see my 10 unpopular luxury opinions video, I'll link it right up here, but I did briefly speak about it. I don't like shopping in store, and I don't care if you want to give me champagne. I don't care if you want to roll out a red carpet for me. I would rather sit on my couch, eat in some Pringles. Barbecue is the best flavor, and just scroll through and buy what I need to buy. And since that's not always an option with brands like Chanel and the Fendi Peekaboo, I just think that this is a huge plus that buying pre-loved gives us. Third reason, and something that I think all my fellow Libras out there will understand, okay? We are not good at making decisions. Let's just say we're in January. I see that something is coming out and I'm like, okay, that's a really cool bag. I will spend like the next 3 months weighing the pros and cons, whether or not I should get it, whether or not I should add it to my collection, whether or not it's worth it, whether or not I want to pay that amount of money for it. By the time I decide that I want whatever this bag is, it's like April, and I'm like, shit. Obviously, it's not available anymore in store. So what is my option? What is my option? Pre-loved. I like that you don't really have time constraints when it comes to pre-loved bags. Let's say that I see like a really special bag and I'm like, it's pre-loved, it's on Rebag, just as an example, and I'm like, yes, this is the bag that I want. Technically, you do have a time constraint because anybody could buy that bag at any moment and it could be gone. It could be sold and then no longer available for you to buy. But if that bag sells, and this has happened to me so many times, it will always come back. it will always come back. For example, there is a Fendi baguette from the Joshua Vides collection that came out 2 years ago that I wanted so bad, but again, I took too long to decide that I wanted it and it sold out, and then I couldn't find it anywhere. I found like 3 available the other day. It just goes to show you, like, no matter what the bag is, no matter what the collection is, if you're open to shopping pre-loved, you will pretty much always find it. It might take some time and it might not be the exact moment that you want to find it, but I feel like the chances of you finding it are pretty much always there. My 4th reason, and I feel like probably what should have been my first reason, is that you have the opportunity to save money if you buy pre-loved. Listen, if I go to Chanel and they're like, this classic FAP is $8,800 plus tax, and I'm like, I think I'd rather spend $7,000 on it, they're gonna laugh in my face and a security is gonna just escort me nicely, maybe not so nicely, right out of the store. When you shop pre-loved, depending of course on the item, how hyped up it is, how exclusive it is, it definitely depends, because there are certain things like Hermes quota bags or the Chanel pearl bag. Oh my god, the Chanel pearl bag. The freaking premium that you have to pay for the Chanel pearl bag right now on the pre-loved market is freaking bonkers. I feel like for the majority of bags, you can definitely save some money on the pre-loved market. The biggest case that comes to mind are my 2 classic flaps. Both of them I saved thousands, with an S, of dollars off. Thousands each. Things like that, things that are like always around, things that are not like limited edition, you definitely have the opportunity to save money. And if you have the opportunity, like, why not take it? Of course, there are times where you're saving that money, but you're not getting, like, let's say the dust bag or the box or like the ribbon or every single piece with it. But for me personally, I don't give a shit about that. Like, when it comes to full set, like, you can keep the full set if that means that I can keep some of my money, you know? And finally, the last reason that I think you should consider shopping pre-loved is because it's more sustainable. If you're buying a new bag from the store, that means they are giving you a brand new box, a brand new dust bag, brand new ribbon, whatever, tissue paper, whatever else they're gonna give you, okay? All of that stuff is brand new. Whereas if you're buying it off of somebody, that means it's already been given out. So that's kind of like recycling those materials and going from one house to another house, rather than from one house to the garbage and then you going to the store and then getting new ones. And not only that, it just makes it better for us who want to sell our bags. Like, I personally have sold a lot of bags. Again, I will link the bags I've sold and why right up here. If people continue to buy on the pre-loved market, then that just means that there's still a market for me to sell my bags. I think that the whole recyclability of it is, it's important, not only with the environment, but also for like us. I just spit everywhere. But also for us to like go ahead and then sell our bags, for us to have the ability to do that, it's important for people to obviously buy them. So yeah, those are the 5 reasons. I'm still gonna count that as 5, okay? Because those 2 kind of go together because it's recyclable, but you get it. They go together. We'll say it's 5A and 5B. So those are the 5 reasons that I feel like you should consider buying pre-loved. I'm sorry again that I had to do half of this video like this and then half of the video the other way. I really don't know what happened with my audio. My mic is actually really good, so it usually doesn't have a problem. But I guess yesterday, like, she was just tired. It was a long day. I understand. Hopefully you guys understand too and are not too mad at me. And again, when you see me looking exactly like this in my next video, just pretend that it's a brand. Just be like, damn, I have never seen this. This is revolutionary. So let me know what you guys think of my 5 reasons. Do you agree with me? Do you have any additional reasons that you want to pop down there? But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So reason number 1, really, is that a fucking Elver? There's a spider! Over there! Up there. Do you see it? It was moving.
How do you see that spider?
It was moving and it's literally,
spider, guys.
it's in my direct eye. Like, I don't know how I would not see that.
Okay, there's a spider. Go over there to the room.
Why would you want to see the spider? What's wrong with you? You're deeply disturbed. Oh, that son of a bitch, he knew you were coming. Did you? Oh. Oh my God, he's still alive. Testing, testing. This is a test. I just want to make sure this doesn't sound like crap like it did last time.